A very good morning to all of you, grade 3. How are you doing? Well, this is my first online lesson with you. Teacher Ilham has taken the first lesson on the senses, and I would like to continue from there, and I hope you will hear me regularly. Okay, now please can you open your textbooks to page number 90? Ready? Everybody? Okay, this is quickly a recap of whatever was done with you before. Now what you are going to hear, I'm sorry for the noise, I'm also at home, so my dog's barking. Okay, now, so we have 5 senses of touch, taste, smell, sight, hearing. The sense of smell is by the nose. Our nose finds out the different kinds of smell, a bad smell, a good smell. While the sense of sight is taken care of by our eyes. Okay, sometimes we can see far away objects. At other times we cannot see. Some of us have got spectacles or we have glasses. So we have a problem of sight. The third is the sense of taste. Now, all of us know that sometimes we can find out a sour taste or a spicy taste or a sweet taste. These tastes we are able to find out because we have taste buds. Okay, small structures on our tongue. We are going to study more about them in this lesson. And then the next one, the fourth one, is the sense of hearing. The sense of hearing is taken care of by our ears. We have 2 ears. They help us to hear or to listen. The 5th sense of touch is the sense of touch that we are going to start off with today. And the next in the word cloud is sense. Okay, these are all the 5 senses. Now just look at the next word. It's explore. Explore means to find out deeply, to find out more about something. That's known as to explore. And the last word in the word cloud is imagine. So, when we imagine something, now let us do something. All of you close your eyes for a moment and just imagine we have all gone for a trip to the beach. And don't open your eyes. And what can you imagine? Can you see the huge blue sea with the waves lashing and the clear blue sky that seems unending? Okay, and at a point you can also see or imagine the sky and the sea meeting each other. And you can feel the hot sand where you are sitting. Is this all real? No, we are imagining. Okay, so now next, this is the picture. So we have 5 senses and this is how we find out the 5 senses. Now could you please open page number 92? Okay. All of us know that touch is one of the 5 senses. How do we feel the touch? We feel with our fingers. How do we feel? We feel with our fingers. What do the senses do? The senses protect us. What do the senses do? They protect us. Now you will ask, how do the senses protect us? Now, suppose I am touching something very hot. Okay. What will I do immediately? I will scream, "Ooh!" or I will remove my finger. Yes, or I will remove my hand. So, is it not warning me? Is it not telling me don't touch, it's dangerous, your hands can get burnt? Okay, so in that way the senses protect us. What does it do? It wants us to remove the hand away when we touch something which is very hot, or it is very cold, or it is very rough. Can you see the expression on the girl's face? Look at the knob on the right hand side. The knob is turned to the right. So the girl has taken her hand near the hot oven, and the moment she touches it, her facial expression or her face changes. Okay? And because her face changes, it shows that she has been protected because she has the sense of touch protecting her from hot object. Now I want you to play this game, the blindfold game. Take a dark colored piece of cloth, black would be best. Tie it around your sister or your any other family member. Don't go outside, please. Now in this I forgot to tell you, I hope all of you are taking proper care of your health. I hope all of you are washing your hands nicely. Keep washing them with hand wash, or keep sanitizing them, okay, every half an hour, and keep washing it with soap. Don't go out of the house. So this blindfold game also, don't play outside. Don't tell your parents to take you to the park. Nobody should go out now. All of us are supposed to be at home. Okay, you understand? We are all supposed to be at home. Now, what is this game? It's called a blindfold game. What are we doing here? Whoever is blindfolded, that means whoever eyes are covered, he or she will be given things to touch and feel. Okay, so I'm just giving you an example. Look at page number 93. This is what we are doing now. In page number 93, can you see that table? The table has warm things, cold things, rough things, and smooth things. You have to find out 3 objects, 3 warm things. So one, you can take a warm cup of tea, or a warm cup of warm glass of water. And since this person's eyes are closed, he has to just touch and tell that it is warm. Nice game. Okay, next for the cold things, you can take a piece of ice, or you can take anything, a bottle of juice which is kept in the refrigerator. I want you to give example of 3 things. Okay, then the rough things. Rough, you can take a piece of stone or any object that is rough at home. You have many such objects at home, maybe a cushion cover that is rough, not smooth. Okay, or maybe a stool or a table, yes, or a shelf, anything that is rough, and also the opposite, that is smooth. Smooth could be your book cover, smooth could be your paper. So give it to that person to touch it and feel it. Yes, this is important. So this name is also known as the blind man's buff. What is it known as? Blind man's buff. Come on, I want all of you to play this game, and tomorrow, please tell me, first is who won in the game, and second, how many of the objects could you identify? Blindfold, tell somebody to blindfold you also. Please take care not to tie the cloth very tightly. Okay, then your eyes may pain. Now, at the end of the lesson, I just want to discuss with you 2 amazing facts. You know, there are amazing things happening all over the world, every moment. And many of us, even I don't know some amazing facts, but it's always great to keep knowing new things. Okay, now, like, it's amazing, right? That did you ever think that a virus, something that we cannot see, will be able to put us behind our home, in our homes, behind the doors? No, we couldn't imagine. But it's like I have no words. But now today we are going to talk about two amazing facts. Amazing is something that's really nice. Okay, what is it? A dog's sense of smell is 200 times better than a human sense of smell. Okay, now if your mom is cooking chicken in the kitchen, oh wow, that's nice. Chicken in the kitchen. Now, if she is cooking chicken in the kitchen, how many of you would know it that there's chicken for lunch? Oh, most of us will know it, right? Because we are able to smell. Now, the same thing, a dog can smell this chicken being cooked from about 200 times further, means away from where the chicken is being cooked. So that is how strong the dog's sense of smell is, which is why dogs are often used by the police. If you know, they are used by the police to find out or to solve many crimes, the wrong things that are done by people. So they use dogs to find it out or solve such cases. The second amazing fact is that on our body, we have the palm and the sole. Now, where is the palm? The palm is the inner side of our hand. Okay, where you have the lines in our hand. Okay, now that's the palm. Just touch it. See, it is much thicker than our cheek. And even the soles. The sole is the inner part of our feet. So that is sole. These two parts are much, much thicker than the average skin on our body, which is why on these parts we feel the sense of hotness or coldness a little later, or in other words, we can tolerate more heat or more coldness in these areas. Not for a very long time, but in comparison to the cheek or to the tips of our fingers. So, what is the thickness? The thickness is about 1.5 millimeter. Okay, now that's for the day. There's a question there. If you want to touch something, which part of your body do you use? This question is on page number 92. Please, can you do it as homework? So you have just two things that you have to do. This one question on page number 92, and you have to fill up the table of warm things, cold things, rough things and smooth things. Have a great day. Keep smiling, children. This too shall pass, and we'll all be back to school very soon. God bless and stay healthy.